Today we'll be installing Burndy part number GA600H30SS to a 6-inch square fence post, a common application in critical infrastructure applications. The tools you'll need for this installation are a torque wrench. We're using a BTW 150750 with a 3/4 inch deep socket and Penetrox A. Begin by determining the desired mounting location and removing surface coatings if applicable. Disassemble the connector as shown. Next, apply a generous amount of Penetrox oxide inhibitor to the portions of the connector that butt the fence post. Begin assembly by locating the desired mounting location and aligning the U-bolt with the cast component. Now install hardware as shown. Using your Burndy torque wrench, first tighten each side to 240 inch-pounds, followed by 480 inch-pounds thereafter. Finally, install your conductor by backing off hardware as needed, aligning conductor, and finally torquing to 480 inch-pounds. Your installation is now complete. Thank you for watching this short installation on how to install a GA600H30SS.